Good evening. Information retrieval technique. The subject code is CS8080. We're going to discuss about the introduction about that information retrieval technique. Myself, Sharmila, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering in the R.M.D.E. Engineering College. In today's lecture, we're going to discuss about the user task. The user task is nothing but the information retrieval. The information first is supposed to be translated into a query by the user. The information retrieval system, there is a set of words that convey the semantic of information that is record whereas in the data retrieval system, the query expression is used to convey the constraint which are satisfied by the object. A user want to search as something but ends up with searching with another thing. How it is happening in the browsing? There is not searching properly means we will interact with the user through different tasks. So what else we are doing in the browsing? We search for a query, we retrieve from the database, whether it is relevant or not. Like that, we'll be having getting a feedback. If it is relevant data, we'll take it up. If it is not relevant, we are refining the query and again we'll search in the database. So here the information retrieval versus data retrieval. We're going to see the difference. In the information retrieval, the software program that deals with the organization, storage, retrieval, evaluation of information from the document repository, particularly textual information. But in the data retrieval, it depends upon the database management system that is called as ODBMS. A process identify that particular data set based on the query providing by the user application. In the information retrieval, retrieves the information about the subject. But in the data retrieval, determines the keyword in the user query and retrieves the data. In the information retrieval, small errors are likely to go unnoticed. But in data retrieval, a single error of object means also totally failure. In the information retrieval, not always well structured is semantically ambiguous. But in the data retrieval, it is well defined structure and semantic. But in the information retrieval, they provide solution to the user database system. But in the data retrieval, provide solution to the user of the database system. In the result obtained, appropriately it matches. Approximately it matches. But in the data retrieval, exact match will be provided. In the information retrieval, results are ordered by a relevance. But in the data retrieval, results are on ordered relevance. So what we have learned in this video is information versus data retrieval. What is the difference? I hope you understand what is the difference between the information retrieval versus the data retrieval. Thank you.